Get that blood flowing, girl. Yes, honey.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
Y'all, I'm at Ikea. Can you see it? Such a blessing. It is not crowded at all. Y'all don't talk about my afro braids because I still think I'm cute. The kid, Jazz didn't want to come in with me, and I'm fine with that, honey. I ain't got to carry nothing but a wallet. I ain't got to watch my back trying to keep up with COCO, looking for kids. I feel blessed. This is just beautiful. I'm on the elevator by myself. Do y'all know that this hardly ever happens? I'm here on the perfect day at the perfect time. Let's stay hard. Cause I was not in the mood to be bothered. I need to shop in peace. I don't want my kids and I want a bunch of people around me. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? It's so sick. This is really cute. I think this is a pretty pink for a teenage girl room. Just like pink, Coco like purple. All it takes is good customer service from one person. Shopping made easy. I didn't even have to do anything, y'all. After walking around forever, I got some help. This is what I'm putting on my vanity, and then I'll show you guys the other box. This box is 75 pounds, so your girl about to put in some work. So y'all got to watch me struggle. Whew. Child, you do what you gotta do when you gotta do it, okay? So now we are on to aisle 12 in bin 22. Y'all, when I come to places like this, I be feeling like a kid in the candy store. I be finding all kind of stuff, just looking left to right, left, right, left, right. But let's see, aisle 22, and we're going to be, no, not 22, 12, and we're going to be in 22. I'm so grateful it's not crowded in here, because sometimes you just want to get in and get out, and sometimes pull your mask off, like what I just did. So we are looking for bin 22. 22 is to the left and the right, but I think I'm on the right side. Yes, this. Just in case I forget to ever tell y'all where I got it from and how much it costed. And this one is $79. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put legs on it or not. Probably not, but holy macaroni. Oh my god. Okay, I might need help with this one. Does it tell me how much it weighs? Okay, this one's only 30 pounds. The other one was 60. All right, y'all. Let's get to work. Who run the world? Girls. Thank you.
No problem.
It's not that heavy. It's just not.
It's just the awkwardness
Yeah.
of how long it is.
Okay. Hopefully. Thank you, sir. Hopefully it stays this time. My stuff just fell out. I'm leaving. Me and all my shenanigans following along behind me. My box fell. Somebody had to help me. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with the settings on my camera, but this whole time I was recording and it was blurry as hell. Whoa, look at my car getting away. Sweet Jesus. This whole time it was blurry. So I'm sorry. But y'all, that's the footage. I can't undo it. But I gotta put the camera down because my car is getting away because they carts roll sideways, frontwards, backwards, however. So, yep, there you go again.
Oh, she's recording.
Yep, they're gonna hear your conversation. Oh, y'all, listen. I'm hot and I'm sweating. Oh, he done made it back home and everything, huh?
Yeah. It's been an hour and 16 minutes.
Oh, he was taking care of his sisters. Oh, thank you, Greg.
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
Thank you for being ready to call the police.
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I got my stuff.
She got
Sephora made me do it. Now, I've been trying to do this vanity for so long, y'all, and I just haven't done it. And so, I started on it, but I didn't finish it. And the more makeup I get, the more perfume I buy, the more my vanity is looking atrocious. So, we gonna work on it. We gonna fix that. And then after I get it all pretty, I'm changing the bulbs. Like, the bulbs got to go. But right now, me and the girls need to go find us some Frenchy fries so we can have dinner tonight. And yeah, that's it. It was the fastest $160 I spent ever in my life. Literally took me an hour. How did y'all say it? An hour? An hour. But yeah, so that's that. I'll see y'all later. I don't really have anything else going on other than putting up my stuff. And yeah, I may or may not do that today. I'm just not sure because yeah, I have to edit. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. Look like you. Oh no! Why y'all take it away? Y'all missed Cartoon Curtis. Oh, that ad was like 5 minutes long, and I'm just now picking up the camera. Hey y'all, it's a morning, I'm sorry, PM routine. Who was that said they like to hear my raspy voice? Here you go, girl, here you go. Because when I'm sleepy, yes, it's real. It's real with the rasp. When I first wake up, when I'm tired, girl, it's all the way real. And yeah, I'm tired. It ain't no faking it. Y'all know I didn't just wake up because I got on a face of makeup. Full face of makeup right now. I slayed this makeup though. Girl, I thought I was cute today. I think I did that. The only problem, we always critique ourselves, but just know that I'm a perfectionist. So don't think that I'm like feeling some type of way or nothing like that, y'all. I'm a perfectionist, and when I do stuff, it needs to be perfecto, okay? And I can still see, you know, some of the little dark spots, and that's just because I'm using, I had on tinted moisturizer today, which was the Lancome tinted moisturizer, and that's not what your girl needs. Your girl need a full coverage foundation. So who do y'all recommend? No drugstore. No shade to nobody, but I think I've tried every drugstore known to man, and it just is not cutting it. I think Fenty is definitely a medium to full because it's buildable, but Fenty just don't seem to have my color. I don't know, they had me looking all ashy and stuff. So I used to mix Fenty with something. I can't even remember what it was, but I used to mix it with something. And so yeah, if y'all know a full coverage foundation, let me know. I've been looking at Dior and Gucci because I'm like, if you cost that, that means you didn't come to play. So we'll see. I'll try. But let's just get on with this night routine makeup routine. So the first thing I do is I use my makeup remover wipes. And it depends on my budget at the time that I'm shopping. I will purchase the Neutrogena, which is my absolute favorite. But Walmart brand is actually not that bad. I was impressed, but it's close. It is not the same as Neutrogena. It's compared to, and it's compared to. So depending on my budget, I get the Equate makeup removers, but I get this one or Neutrogena. So this is the first thing. I just take the wipes and wipe it off. And y'all see how good that work? Look at that. I'm red. I ain't mad at nobody, y'all. I don't know what's going on. And people made me mad about my Sephora package, but I'm going in the morning to handle that, and I'm taking y'all with me. Y'all might have to look at my feet because she probably, I'm sure she don't want to be recorded, but guess what? She getting recorded. She definitely getting rewarded because somebody need to figure that box out. I'm trying to tell you. Because it won't be Nikki taking that L. I'm going to tell you that. Baby, money don't grow on trees, because if it did, I have so much stuff, you know? I would have so much stuff, and me and my man will be on, you know, in Dubai somewhere, or, you know, taking hella more trips. But it don't, money don't grow on trees, so unfortunately for all of us, that's a negative, okay? So, y'all see my halfway made up face? Look at that. This thing looks so full of makeup, but I'm gonna tell y'all, because it has so much, it has so, it's like a really, really wet towelette. I definitely don't look at it and say, "Ooh, I need a new one." No, honey. It needs to be completely covered before I move on to a new one. And I'm gonna be honest with you. You can use these all you want. You still have to wash your face. You still have to wash your face afterwards because you would be so surprised how much makeup is still in your face. You will be so surprised. But let me show y'all. Hold on. Show y'all something. Oh, it's proving me wrong, but it's in my hand. It's usually enough to drip. There it go. Did y'all catch that? Whoop. I was just trying to show you how wet the towelette is. But this is now dirty. So move on to a new one. I feel like I like to remove the makeup before I wash my face. I know some people literally like wash it off, and I'm gonna be honest, your face is not clean. Look at that. It's not clean once you do that. I don't know why this makeup is so stubborn, but it is. And you have to, I can show you, remove it before you clean your face. Oh gosh. And be a little more gentle than what you see me doing, because I just poked myself. Moving too fast. Hey, I just poked myself in the eye. My eyes red too. So red. Boy, boy, boy. It ain't one thing, it's another. Now the only thing I don't do is scrub up here with soap. I just use the makeup wipe for that. I mean, it's just the eyelid. How much harm is it gonna cause? I don't know. I don't. And then I do my lips last, because especially when I have on red lipstick, oh gosh. And I'll be wanting this stuff everywhere. Okay. Now that we have that done, this one is not as dirty as this one. The light not letting y'all catch it. This one is way more dirtier than this one. You want to, you can go in for a third one, but I don't. Too thick. Next, I go in with my Kiehl's face wash. This is a gentle liquid cleaner. I've been using this for years, a long time, and my regimen is about to change because y'all know my BIB order. I just ordered some new products I want to try out, because I'm having problems with dark spots in my face. And so you know how they go, like when your skin change, your regimen needs to change to accommodate your skin. And my skin is starting to be real dry and black spots. So that's what I'm doing now. So first thing I do, I wet my hands and pat my face. I'm just trying to wet my face up. Make it real wet. And then I take a very, very little bit. I say like a dime size. Yeah, like a dime size, because a little of this goes a long way. I use my fingers, you know. See that? A little bit goes a long way. If you can get away with not doing this, yeah, that's even better. I have a facial brush as well. It works by batteries and it just spins in circles. At this point, I will put a little water on the brush and go ahead and, you know, like scrub my face. It gently scrubs your face. And I would just go and scrub my face with that. And it cuts out this. You having to do it yourself. And if you're interested in these, they are on my website at pinkandpurplehair.com. Thank you to everybody who's been supporting and ordering. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to check out my Mercari. Link is in the description. And I will be bringing my Poshmark back, because I feel like I need to be selling it on more than one platform, because this stuff is not going as fast as I want it to, because I need it out of my house. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is use my hands to rinse like this. I'm just going to rinse and keep rinsing. And then once I rinse, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, next step, yes, water will be running everywhere. It just does. It's okay. Is I just pat dry. Pat dry it all over everywhere. And I'm not done, okay, because I want to make sure the makeup is off. And I don't know if you guys can see on this towel that there is, now this is a fresh towel, there is still a little bit of makeup still coming off. So that's why I do that. So after I shampoo or cleanse my face, I feel like it's a shampoo. After I cleanse my face, I wet the towel, the same towel that I pat dried with. I take that same towel, wet it, and then just go one good wipe over my face again. Especially under my eyes, because it's kind of hard to really get that soap underneath your eye. So I really pay attention to my under eye. And then just gently give it one last wash. A lot of people say, I'm not gonna say a lot of people, I've seen that you should not use warm water. I am not an esthetician. I use hot water. I was told that, you know, you shouldn't use hot water when you're washing your face, because I think they said it closes up your pores. It's a habit for me, because when I wake up in the morning, so used to washing my face with a hot towel. If you are an esthetician, go ahead and comment down below and let me know if I need to be switching up and how serious is that switch, because honey, this is a long time habit, okay? So I rinse it out with, I put the towel in hot water. And that's just me. Okay? I'm not saying you got to do this. I'm just saying. To me, when I do stuff like this, it's like a mini facial or something. I don't know. Y'all don't give me the line. Don't give me the line. Also, we hydrate. Not for real, for real. Because your girl be skipping out on water, I make up for that even at night. It don't matter what time of day, I still drink the water. So that's why I have that in here. Okay, y'all, so I was running off in my mouth. Yeah, so now, before you start running off at your mouth, you want to work on the wet face. So what I'm doing, wetting my hands a little bit, just so I can get my skin to absorb the moisturizer. I used to use witch hazel to tone my face, but I ended up, see, I'm talking too much again, hold on. This is the moisturizer that I use. It's CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. You can get this at Walmart. Same thing, a little goes a long way. But I used to use witch hazel to tone my face. I do not have oily skin, so I should not be using that because it had alcohol in it. And I don't know, y'all know how to go. When you've been using something that you grew up on for years, that's what you used to doing. And so I just knew, girl, I don't know what I was thinking, but it's alcohol in it, so I can't use that. But they do make one. I think the company is called Thayer, however you pronounce it. They make one and it's alcohol free, which I definitely gonna have to get me some, because I feel like that's better than buying a toner, because y'all know these prices for stuff can get up there. And that's just one of those things for me that's just like not mandatory, so it's not a big deal. It's just not a big deal for me. Yeah, look at this little dry spot right here on my head. I have been doctoring it. Trying to get it to go away. But right now I'm just massaging that moisturizer and it feels so good. Get that blood flowing, girl. Yes, honey. Sometimes you gotta facialize yourself. Man, that facial I had, oh my God, that was the best ever. I came out glowing, okay? But see, I usually just use the CeraVe moisturizer, but now I'm switching over to like a serum, like a oil serum, and I'm this close, y'all, like that close to making my own facial serum, because the moisturizer is okay, don't get me wrong, but like I said, when your skin changes, your regimen has to change, and I feel like I need to be doing something different, because yeah, my face is definitely needing a touch up. I appreciate all the comments when people tell me, oh, your skin is so beautiful, and like, it used to be. I mean, it could be worse, but all these black spots And this stuff is coming from hormonal changes in my body. I know what it's coming from. But at the same time, I need to hydrate. So until I am working out consistently, hydrating myself, taking my vitamins every single day, I can't blame it on the hormones. That's how I see it. I need to do everything that I possibly can do, and then I can say, oh, okay, you know. But anyway, that's just it. It is time for bed now. That's gonna be the end of this video because it's night time. Now, I'm wearing a bonnet, but I do not sleep in this. I don't sleep in this. This is just to protect my hair when I'm doing like my makeup or like all those soaps and stuff like that. So that's what that's for. Right now I am wearing a bonnet. And I was just wearing this bonnet just to be cute for y'all for the video. Cause this bonnet is not going to bed with me, okay? It's not. It's coming off my head. And let me show y'all what I'm gonna be looking like. I just started taking my braids down. So I'm looking like this on one side and like this on the other side. Yeah. So see, I was cute for y'all for the video. So don't y'all appreciate me trash? Give a girl an A for effort. Cause this show gonna come out now. I'm about to go to bed. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let me take my raspy voice to sleep, baby, because it's a sign of being tired. Okay, y'all. Follow me on Instagram as well if you do not already at She Is Blessed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.